Right. "25 out of 32. Some students are having two numbers, ma. That means the count is cannot be 32. Right. This is your 12th standard mathematics. You see how beautiful. Povili, are you there in the classroom, ma?
No, sir, I didn't have the link.
Don't worry. Today I will send it. Okay, you will find the link today. Hold on. I'll
Okay,
check
sir.
today. Right.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
Did you submit the homework in WhatsApp?
Sir, இன்னும் submit பண்ணல sir, but I have done it.
எதுக்காக submit பண்ணல? What is the reason? எதுக்கு இந்த
Sir,
மாதிரி? I don't
because he
understand.
asked you the link, sir.
இல்ல, நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப்ல சப்மிட் பண்றதுன்னா ஒரு சைடு சேஃப் தானே? Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do that immediately. You do that in the WhatsApp, right? WhatsAppல பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறம் ஈவினிங் குள்ள I will see that you will be there in the classroom. Now itself, okay? Maybe in the before noon, 4 o'clock itself, you will be there. Nice. Okay. Wonderful, dears. Yesterday, I think most of you are you comfortable with all questions, ma? Any question is a difficult one, ma, please. Yes? Are you comfortable with all questions, or do I need to attend to any particular question, ma, please?
No, sir. We are
No.
okay.
Yes, sir, சொல்லுங்க please. Yes, யார் அது? You can, ma, you can, please. You can ask the doubts. அவ்வளவுதான் போயிடுச்சு. Okay, you take this question, ma, please. Yeah. See this question. I give a word question which is from the R.S. Agarwal. Okay. RSA. What is RSA stands for? R.S. Agarwal. Wonderful author. Great mathematician. I call 13th question from first exercise. A wheel makes, let us see who will answer this. Take the question here. A wheel makes 180 revolutions in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Now, through how many revolutions, through how many radians? What the HM stands for, yes?
How many?
How many? How many? Very good. Through how many radians does it turn? TURN turn in 1 second, ma. In 1 second, yes, in 1 second, ma. Please, come on, tell me. A wheel makes 180 revolutions in 1 minute. Now, through how many radians? Question on how beautiful it is. Yes. எப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க கவிப்ரியா? Please answer this. Solution, yes. In 1 minute, in 60 seconds, it makes 180 revolutions, ma. In 1 second, you are asked. In 1 second, it makes 3 revolutions. Correct, ma? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some of you clear? Kadir? Is it clear? Haripriya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Adirai? Adirai? Mahalakshmi? Loshini? Clear, so clear, faster. Gogol? Subiksha? Daksha? Who? Bharkavi?
Clear, sir.
Ruby? Nandini, Dasharath, Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes. Pranavi, Kirtivasan, Kumaran, Matesh, Naveen, Shreya, Surya, Ram, Rajan, and Sudarshan. At least I should do one chant your names in a day, okay? Right. Parma, 1 minute is making 180 revolutions. 1 second, how many? Forget about what's the question now. We will attend to the question here. This is the question here. How many radians are in now? We don't want revolutions. We want how many radians, but at least you attend this part now. 1 second, you attend this. So in 1 second, it makes 3 revolutions. Hello friends, in 1 second, 3 revolutions means what? 1 revolution is equal to how many radians, ma? That's it. Over. 2 pi.
5, sir.
2 pi, ma. 2 pi, dear. 1 revolution means what? 360 degree, dears. 1 round, my dears. You are getting round complete. That's called 360 degree, ma. 1 round equal to 1 revolution. Write down this, yes. 1 revolution equal to 360 degree. That is equal to 2 pi radians. Write down, yes. Write down this. Clear? So, how many radians now? 6 pi radians, 5 vandare radians, my dear. Answered, my question is answered, my dears. No English. No English. See, only mathematics. How beautiful it is. In 60 seconds, a V makes 180 revolutions. This speaks a lot, my dears. Actually, very beautiful. I don't know why. Yeah. Right. Anyway, good. Friends, so in 1 second, it makes 6 pi radians, ma. Through how many radians does it turn? It turns 6 pi. That's fantastic, right? It makes how many rounds, ma? 3 rounds, rather. 3 rounds, 3 pi, 3 into 2 pi, 6 pi radians, this is in radians, this is in fantastic concept, ma. 1 round equal to 2 pi radians. Or 360 degree. 1 round is also called as revolution. Superb question, yes. Come on, copied over.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Another question for me, please. Next one, yes. Extra questions in okay? Extra questions. RSA, extra questions. One more thing, my dears. There will be a they may plan for 11th standard also board exam this year onwards. Maybe there are so much of thinking going on because of this pandemic. They are taking for 12th standard, they are taking 11th marks also into account, please. Your seniors, board is cancelled, Ilya. Board cancel actually. They are, what are they doing? They are taking 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard. The 3 average பண்றாங்க dears. அது பேஸ் பண்ணி some normalize பண்றாங்க, moderate பண்றாங்க. அவங்களே சொல்லுவாங்க உங்க ஸ்கூலோட கெபாசிட்டிக்கு நீங்க இத்தனை பேருக்கு நீங்க 90 to 100 கொடுக்கலாம். சில பேருக்கு 90 to 100 சொல்லுவாங்க, 90 to 95 கொடுக்கலாம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சோ இதெல்லாம் இல்லாம நீங்க அட்லீஸ்ட் 11th board 12th board கண்டக்ட் பண்ணா they can take the 11th board as the criteria for 12th if any kind of pandemic happens in the middle or any kind of maybe earthquake or any calamity comes in, they will take care like this. I think that's a beautiful idea. But 12th also, 12th 10th confirm. Rand exam conduct பண்றாங்க. One in the month of November, the other one in the month of March and April as usual. ஒருவேளை ஏப்ரல் நடத்த முடியல ஆர் நவம்பர்ல நடத்த முடியலன்னா அப்ப நடக்கும். This is how they want to take at least one of them as the criteria to decide their marks conducted by board as it is without depending upon this is unfair game will happen. Okay, sometimes you can't say anything. Ipa நீங்களும் 10th standard student, those who are feeling that my marks is very low, Board is ready to conduct examination for them. Yes, if you are bold enough, you face board exam and get the same marks or better marks than that. You are most welcome. Board is telling you can. If you feel that my teachers have given me lesser marks, rather teachers my school has given lesser marks, and ninga feel panna, you can go for, you can write the board examination, which will be announced shortly. Date will be announced shortly. And the result is going to come by July 15th mark. Okay. So this is question number 1 we have done. Let's move on to question number 2. Such a beautiful one, Paranga. Next one. Right. A wheel makes, Paranga, a wheel makes, I think this question is also there in the textbook, but a wheel, now I'll ask some students, okay, what to do another, let us see. 180 revolutions in, I think that only I have done, right? What the hell I'm doing this. 12th one, yes. A large hand of a clock is 42 centimeter long. Okay, how many centimeters? How many cms? Okay, how many centimeters does its extremity? Does it extremity? Extremity means what? My end. Okay, this is your hand and a large hand. We discuss about the large hand. So in the extreme one, okay, hold on. Extremity move in 20 minutes, my dears. 20 minutes la vandru. Is it 20 minutes? 15 ma? Is it 20? 20 minutes la vandru. Evala dooram? What is the distance? How many centimeters does it? Centimeter is the unit of what, ma? Centimeter is the unit of distance. Distance. Okay, in this case, arc length. In the 20 minutes move pandradhukku 20 minutes la vandu what is the distance covered by it anu solluvom. Large hand ana enna first let us understand that, my dears. Okay, yes, yes ma, please. What do you mean by a large hand? A large hand of clock is 42 centimeter long. What does it mean, dears? The radius is 42 centimeters here. Radius is 42. Paranga. How many centimeters does it make? Please, suppose I will come here, ma. I will be coming here because 20 minutes is this. This is the distance, ma. This is the distance here. Okay, that's called 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree. That means what? Pi by 2. Pi by 2. So, what you have to find out here? Anybody can tell me, yes, what you have to find out, ma'am? You have to find out arc length AB. How many centimeters does it extremity move in 20 minutes? This length. AB arc length. What is the formula for AB arc length, ma'am?
Theta into radius.
R theta. Brilliant, ma. L equal to R theta. Yes, brilliant, ma. Very good. L equal to R theta. Theta must be in variance. What is the R, ma? 42. What is theta? Yes. Theta is
90.
Pi by 2, sir.
Pi by 2. 90 degree is equal to what? Sorry, 90 degree is equal to pi by 2, ma. Or pi by 2. Please, friends. Theta is pi by 2. Radians, always you should say theta is in radians. Understand this, yes. So 90 degree is nothing but pi by 2 radians. So 42 into 22 by 7 into 2 mark. right? So 14 threes are, right? That's called 66 centimeters, dear. 66 centimeters, if my, yeah. The large hand of a clock is 42 centimeter long. How many centimeters does it extremity move in 20 minutes? If a 20 meter or 90 is long, right?
Sir, 20 minutes, 120 degrees, sir.
Yes, absolutely right. Yes. Okay. So this is 20 mark. நீங்க 20 minutes 15 minutes நீங்க கவலைப்பட நேத்து வந்து I told you the concept ma theta equals to what did I say ma theta for minute hand ma large hand is nothing but write down minute hand. Yes, write down this minute hand, that is the tallest one ma, please. Okay, second hand பத்தி நம்ம கவலைப்பட தேவையில்லை. And short one is the hour's hand ma, please write down. Large hand is called minute hand, short hand is called hour's hand. Okay, second hand is what we place on the place. Friends, here we are talking about the minute hand now. The minute hand solution, please watch here. The minute hand makes 6 degrees in 1 minute here. In 1 minute, minute hand makes in 1 minute how many degrees ma? 6 degrees. In 20 minutes, yes, in 20 minutes it makes 120 degrees, yes. 120 degree. 120 degree is nothing but how many radians ma? Sudarshan? How do you convert radians, degree into radians, na Sudarshan? Hey fool, Sigrama sollu please. I can't wait for you. Therapy off panta, idiot.
180 by 5, sir.
Idiot, when you want radians, multiply with pi by 180. Purila, innu purila. Bloody fool, what are you doing all these days? Radian na made of pi irukunda. Fool, you are getting confused with it. 6 2s are 6 3s are ma. That's called 2 pi by 3 radians here. So your theta is 120 degree or theta is 2 pi by 3 radians, my dear. Now the length it moves, how many centimeters does it extremity move in 20 minutes? This is arc length there. So arc length is L, dear. L equal to r theta, and r is given as 42 centimeters, and theta is given as 2 pi by 3 radians. Then substitute pannunga. R is given as 42 and theta is given as 2 pi by 3. 3 14s are, that is called 28 pi. Ippude solla podum. Okay, centimeters na ippude 28 pi centimeters solla, or if you are not comfortable with this, 22 by 7 centimeter now, please. 7 4s are, that is called 88 centimeter now. That's the finest answer. Paranga, how beautiful it is. This is 20 minutes lo vandu minute hand moves by how much angle? That is called 6 into 20 degree. That is called 120 degree. That is called 2 pi by 3 ma. 120 into pi by 180. Class la vandu I begged you, listen to the class carefully. Enna question vanda eppadi badal solradhu? How long you want to be like a buffoon? Please tell me. Laughing stock. Take up. Be serious in the classroom. Okay, when you sit in the classroom, ready for answer. Prepare and come and sit in the classroom. ஒரு வருஷம் மேல ஆச்சு. You are training under me, but you people are not changing it. ஒரு क्वेश्चन சொல்லணும்னா ஏதாவது ஆன்சர் வரணும். எய்தர் சார் எனக்கு தெரியாது, இல்லன்னா பதில் சொல்லுங்க, தப்பு சொல்லுங்க, பட் may try to answer the question first. I appreciate Sudarshan has something he answered, but before you answer, you should have a clarity, my dears. Clarity, please. Don't worry about my scoldings, but you should, hereafter, I should strike 100% under the confidence, please. Right. Everyone should respond in the class. I tell you, I eat you once you come to the school. I eat you, my dears. I am very, very hungry, please. Yes. Nice. Thank you. Go for the another one, please. One more question. But I appreciate all of you, please. Tremendous response, except a few, right? Most of them have submitted. Wholeheartedly, I want to compliment this class. We have to be the number one, my dears, okay? Particularly, math should be the number one subject with regard to homework clearance, my dears. 10%, I'll tell you, 10%. Hey, Sairam is there in the class. Where is that fellow, Sairam? He is not there. He didn't come. Dasarath, what did you do, dear?
Yes, sir. Sent it.
Yeah, sent where, ma? Where you sent, dear? WhatsApp.
In classroom.
Very good, very good. Nice. Puvili, of course, he said, okay. Daksha. Google, have you sent it, Google?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need not ask Mahalakshmi. Subiksha also sent, Daksha sent, I think. Yes. Ruby, yes. Dasharath, yes. Nandini, yes. I want to appreciate this Nandini and Loshni. Tremendously, they are responding to the class. Great. Matesh, I need not worry. Naveen Babu Day. Naveen, what happened to you, da?
Yes, sir, I sent it.
Yenga,
Classroom, sir. Classroom.
When did you send?
Today morning, sir.
Where did you go, dear?
Sir, forgot to send, sir.
Forgot. Hey, week. You can see, scared man come with whip, okay? Please, I'm going to come with the whip, my dear. Nice. Okay, nice. Thank you very much. You posted. That's great. Shreya, Surya, did you submit here? Ram, no need to ask. Ram is a. You are there in the classroom, Ram? Hey, Jagan, did you submit, Ma Jagan? No, 24. Edik submit pannada? Adirai also not submitted, but she sent in the WhatsApp. Enna problem Adirai? You said network issue. Okay, that's all. Nobody will talk anymore. Right, yes. Okay, nice. So we'll go for the next question now, please. So I want to see today whatever homework I'll give it, within 1 or 2 hours, I want to find this. Nobody is missing, my dears. If anybody is missing in a for homework, I consider them as they do not belong to this class. I will throw them out of my class. No mercy, please. No mercy. You have to see your welfare. Your welfare is by doing homework and submitting and learning also. Chumma submit pandrathu kediyadu. Learning is important, please. Right. I think this question also must be there in the textbook, I believe, right? A train moving on a circular curve of radius 1500 meter, yes. This is the circular curve. The radius of the circular curve is 1500 meter, yes. at the rate of 66 kilometer per hour. Wow, double six, yes, double six now. It is moving at the rate of 66 kilometer per hour. Through what angle has it turned in 10 seconds? So in 10 seconds, please watch here, in 10 seconds, how much angle it covers or it moves? How much angle, through what angle has it turned in 10 seconds? In 10 seconds, how much angle it turned? Please, yes, watch it, watch it. Try this, yes, try this. Please, how to handle this, Mahalakshmi? Tell me, dear. Radius is 1500 meter. Right? And speed is given as 66 kilometer per hour. And you have to find out in second, you have to find out the theta in 10 seconds mark. Theta in 10 seconds, my dear. This is the data for the given question, yes. It is figure now, please. Eppadi start பண்ணுங்க Mahalakshmi, tell me, dear. Yes. Mahalakshmi, yes.
Sir,
How do you start now, please? You just plan yourself and tell me the solution now, please. Yes. Mahalakshmi, please. Yeah, theta we have to find out, no doubt. Yes, how do you start on the Yes, theta is question mark. In 10 seconds, we have to do it. Yes, speed like Kavipriya, tell me, dear, how do you do?
Sir, first convert the kilometer into meter.
Wonderful.
And how-
This is kilometer per hour. Convert 66 kilometer per hour into meters per hour or meters per second. Why? Because you have to find out in 10 seconds. Okay. So friends, here speed, what do you mean by speed? Speed is 66 kilometer per hour. In 1 hour, it covers the distance of 66 kilometer there. Distance is 66 and the time is 1 hour now. Time 1 hour, 66 kilometer. Is it clear? Then 3600 seconds it is moving 66,000 meters now. Why? Kilometers is 1000. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters now. 66,000 meters. Am I clear? 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
60 minutes mark. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds mark. 60 into 60, 3600 seconds here. Note pannikonga, please. Loshini, please note it down. 3600 seconds lo 66,000 meters போடுங்க. 1 second lo how many meters you move? 66,000 by 3600 mark. But now என்ன வேணும்ங்க? 10 seconds ma. 1 seconds lo இவ்வளவு போனா 10 seconds lo multiply 10 years. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Inga 1 0 out, 1 0 out. 6 6 are 6 1100s are 1100 by 6 meters ma. 1100 by 6 meters ma. That is the distance ma. Distance means what ma? L. Is the distance here? Is the distance. So the distance is nothing but what? Arc length, my dears. So the distance moved in 10 seconds is 1100 by 6 meters. Forget about the decimals. So distance is nothing but what ma? L equal to 1100 by 6 ma. L தெரியும், R தெரியும்ப்பா, right? L is this much, R is 1500. We know that L equal to R theta ds. Yes or no? Which implies theta equal to L by R. பாருங்க. So theta equals to L. L is what? 1100 by 6 divided by R. R is 1500. ரெண்டு போச்சு. 11 by 90 radians. 11 by 90 radians. Whatever the answer you get in theta, hereafter it will be only in radians, my dear. Please note down. This is the radians. 11 by 90 radian. Did they ask in degrees? No. No. பாருங்க. Through what angle has it turned? My angle என்ன நீங்க comfortable சொல்லலாம். It is, if you want degrees also you can say it. If you want to convert it to degrees, this is radians. Degrees வேணும்னா 11 by 90 into 180 by 5. Angle இதுல வேணும்னா degree வேணும்னா, okay? So 11 by 90 180 by 5 னா 22 by 7. தெரியுதா போர்டு தெரியுதா? இல்ல. சூப்பர். Okay. 11 twos are 90 twos are 2 cut. It is simple 7 degree mark. For 10 seconds lo vandu it is just moving 7 degree, my dear. The car is making 7 degree in 10 seconds, my dear. Inga suppose car was here, it has moved here from here to here. That is called 7 degree meters. That's equal to 11 by 90 radians. Very, very small. That's why it's coming 7 degree radius. So what is the answer, ma? Paranga, first you start from here. Speed of the car is 66 km per hour. In 1 hour time, the distance traveled by the car is 66 km. Transform into meters. 1 hour transform into seconds, because we have to work on in what is the theta in 10 seconds. So 10 seconds la maathunga, you meter la maathunga, because 1500 meter. So in 1 second, unitary method ma 3600 seconds, the distance moved is 66,000 meters. In 1 second, and division over 66 by 36, whatever. And in 10 seconds, and multiply with 10, you get 1100 by 6 meters. It is called distance, my dear. Distance is 1100 by 6. Distance is nothing but arc length, my L. Okay. So this arc length is 1100 by 6 mark. And radius is 1500 meters. Very big radius, yes, very big radius. And L equal to R theta. You want to find out theta, so write the formula for theta. That's called L by R. L is 1100 by 6 divided by 1500. You get 11 by 90 radians. Convert to degrees if you wish. Both, this is a fine answer. This is the finest answer. But if you want to understand it, you transform into degrees. So now you understand, 7 degree. Because we lived with degrees for so many years. So our mind always tend to go for degree and ரொம்ப comfortable feel பண்றோம். Correct? Okay, next to வரப்போற question definitely. This question was there in the book, textbook la irundha idu? Was it in textbook? No, brilliant. Parapa, please. Next one, yes. Come on, take it fast. Are you taking Kumaran? Adirai, are you taking it?
Yes, sir.
Kadir, are you taking?
Yes,
are
sir.
you finding?
Yes, sir.
Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
See, earlier I was not doing this, right? Now I am able to do it because I can see names on the side. ஒரு சைடுல வந்து names பார்க்கலாம் நான் இப்ப. That is the beauty of our app. Pranavi, are you writing your notebook notes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. 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 Did you submit homework yesterday?
Sir, I need link, sir. I have still not joined. I asked Puri, sir, to forward.
Yeah, 1 year ஆகட்டும். இந்த first year 11th standard முடிச்சிட்டு கேட்டுக்கோங்க. 11th standard முடியட்டும். ஓகே. எதுக்கு ஹர்தி எதுக்குமா? இல்ல உங்களுக்கு ஆர்வம் கிடையாதா? எத்தனை மெசேஜ் போட்டப்ப இதுல சொல்ல முடியாதா சார்? எனக்கு லிங்க் இல்லன்னு சொல்ல முடியாதா? Right, okay. You have said now. Good. Very nice. Sudarshan and yesterday, Sudarshan and who's here submitted first? Sudarshan and யாருப்பா first submit பண்ணது? Sudarshan and Mahalakshmi, is it? யாரோ ரெண்டு பேர். யார் மது ரெண்டு? Sudarshan and wonderful dear Sudarshan. Nice. But I don't know how far it is. Bhargavi, I think, right? Am I right, Bhargavi? Yeah, you are there. Wonderful, dear. I think I found a lot of change. Okay, I think your mother is behind you now, I think. Of course, you yourself is determined. You want to excel. You are a wonderful girl, basically. But somehow 10th standard, you are little, I think, funny because of Corona effect, I think. Yes, but now I think Corona is subsiding and you are improving. Great. Kirtivasan, Mr. Lamba.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine,
Are you
sir.
able to follow the screen?
Yes, sir.
Any change you are finding from 10th standard to 11th standard?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Very good. That's a beautiful answer. I like it. Okay, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. What change you found, sir?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Very good. Ram Narayan, of course, as usual, is a. Are you in commerce ma or science, dear? Ram.
Commerce.
Commerce, very good. But you have taken mathematics, ma. I like it. You are a very, very, intelligent boy. I mean, even career-wise, you have chosen beautiful combination. That's the mathematics and commerce combination is going to rule the roost. Okay, in future, brilliant style. Go with it. Okay, nice. Surya, how is it, Surya? Able to follow? Hey, Surya. கேட்கல சொல்லுப்பா ராஜா. சூரிய நாராயணன் பேசுறது புரியுதாடா? டீச் பண்றது புரியுதா? ஹோம்வொர்க் பண்றீங்களா? பேசல. Okay, very good. Shreya,
Yes,
how is the class? How are you able to follow the classes, ma?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you
I'm
able to
able to follow.
Follow. What's 1 radian, dear?
Sir,
1 radian is equal to how many degrees? Anybody? Anybody?
57.
57.27.
57.2 degree. Brilliant answer, ma. 1 radian equal to 57.2 degree, but precisely 57 degree. Yes.
16 minutes.
16
12
minutes.
seconds. 12 seconds.
12 seconds. So no down. Remember. Wow. Okay. One more, ma. One more. Naveen Babu. A revolution is equal to how many degrees, my dear? Naveen. 1 revolution is how many degrees? Day. Sikrama Soluda day. 1 revolution is how many degrees? Matesh?
360 degrees, sir.
Brilliant answer. Day noda day Naveen Babu. மூக்கு போயிடும்டா டேய், மூக்கு போயிடும்டா, மூக்கு சப்பாத்தி ஆயிடும் பாருங்க, மூக்கு இல்லாத நவீன் ஆயிடும் பாருங்க. குமரன்
360 degrees.
One radian, dear, watch here. Watch here, ma. One round is equal to
360 degrees.
One round is equal to how many radians, Kumar? One round is how many radians, Kumaran? அவனுக்கு வாய் திறக்காத, வாயில நாக்கு இல்ல அவனுக்கு, நாக்க மூக்கா ஃபெலோ. Nandini, one round or one revolution equal to how many radians, my dear? Dasharath.
2 radians.
வாய் திறந்து சொல்லுடா டே. Say properly, idiot. Say it.
2.
2. 2. கடவுளே. Ruby.
2 pi radians.
That is communication. That is called communication. Day Dasharath. Parda day. 2 pi. 2 சொல்றது idiot. எந்த மாதிரி communication அது? Very fool. I am putting you down before all. Still you don't want to learn, idiot. இதுக்கு நான் சும்மா I am wasting time of others. Why am I doing that? I never used to do this. But I want to see that you people transform. 2 pi radians and clear. Even a bloody dumb and deaf fellow should understand it. எப்ப சேஞ்ச் ஆகுங்களோ தெரியல. Daksha. Hey, Daksha.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for arc length there?
Radius into theta, sir.
Arc theta. What is theta here?
Sir, I can't get you.
What is theta, sir?
L by R.
Hey, see, Daksha, beti, you are too smart, my dear, I know that. சொல்றது theta என்ன? What is theta? Theta is angle. Ready?
Sir, it is the angle subtended by the arc length at the center of the circle.
யார் சொன்னாங்க மாதிரி? கவி.
Yes, sir.
இன்னும் ப்ராப்பரா சொல்லணும்ப்பா. What is theta? பூவிலி. You are almost perfect here, Kavi. And Daksha is 80%. Kavi is 90%. Poo. Gogol Babu.
Angle.
Yeah. Go ahead, dear. Go ahead.
So angle at the center of the circle subtended by the arc length.
Illa. Gogol. Anybody?
The radian angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle.
Once again.
The radian angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle.
Swami, Venda Swami, theta is in radians. Theta is in radians. That is very, very important. Don't substitute angle in degrees. Please. Daksha, am I clear, Raja? Am I humiliating or what I am doing is fine?
Sir.
Am I correct now? What
Yes,
mean is
sir.
correct? Or theta is in radians, ma. Please understand this. What our Google boy has said is 100% right, ma. Theta is the radian angle subtended at the center by an arc. Ah, brilliant. You all have done, ma. You all have justice, okay? But the perfect answer is that the angle subtended by the arc at the center in radians. In radians. Fantastic, dears. Very good. Okay. What is the formula for area of the sector, my dears? Once again, I'll go for Yarana. Yes, Subiksha. What is the area of a sector, ma?
RL by 2, sir.
RL by 2. How do you say that, ma? How do you RL by 2? Half LR. Brilliant answer. But how do you know this, dear? Do you remember or you can get it, ma?
Pi by
Fantastic answer.
360. Pi by 360 into 2 pi r, sir.
2 pi r. Nonsense, ma. That's utter nonsense, dear.
Pi r
Area
square.
theta
Pi r square, sir.
by
Pi by
360 pi r square. What is this 360 is called? 2
2 pi,
pi.
sir.
2 pi.
Pi
Brilliant.
by
Pi by 360 சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. So theta by 2 pi into pi r square here. Correct?
yes, sir.
Pi cut. So area is equal to half r square theta. Half r into r theta. What is this r theta?
L, sir.
Wow. Half r L. Brilliant, dear. Brilliant. Excellent. Very good. Yeah. Cracking. Great. Keep it up. Be precise. Be precise. See, it's the only thing, ma. There is a hair-thin difference is there between 80% to 100%, my dears. Those who are scoring 60%, they can make to 80%. 80% can become 90. 90 can become 100. Just small change is required in your attitude, my dears. That's all. Simple, ma. Very simple. All of you can make this class so wonderful, dear. So wonderful, please. Not only mathematics, every subject. Smart thinking is required. Smart thinking is required. Better thinking is required. You are all capable, dears. I'll tell you, you are all gems. I believe in that. Each one is a gem. I am Titran and Titra, that's our relation. Okay, our relation is so strong. So I have that freedom to scold you, please. But at the same time, you are in my heart. That's why I'm able to do that. You are all, okay, even Dasarath, everybody whom I am scolding much, they are very much dear to me. Sudarshan and I myself, both of them, we play shuttle, just like friends, we play it. But when it comes to class, I scold him because he is very intimate to me, okay? So please don't feel for it, but you are all doing very, very well. There is a marked difference from last year to this year. General, my dears, general tendency is such. I'll wind up, just hold on for another 5-10 minutes is there. My dears, I'll tell you, general from 10th standard to 11th standard, as you move, particularly boys, they become little lethargic. Even with girls also can become, dears. But it is all in the individual, my dears. Everything you keep it aside. That part I don't want to touch it. But this particular thing is that you have to have an ambition to say that I have to excel, not only in academics, dears, not only in academics, to be a leader, to be a good communicator, to be a good singer. Anything you take up, you should be the best. You should be the best. This is my ambition, please. I always see some children who are singing great. I admire them and I post in the status, please. Because I want to see that our children, our students should become that. Anything you take up, any hobby you take up, you excel it. You are the number one, please. You can only do that. To that extent, you have to see the perfection, my dears. You are all gems. I will tell you once again, you can do the best, my dears. Our communication in the prayer, okay, our singing in the prayer, wholeheartedly you have to sing, my dears. Wholeheartedly. Your heart become lighten when you sing with wholeheartedness. It's a prayer. Our prayers are passing. Our prayers are passing through the air. Cosmos, nature's cosmos. Okay, please understand this. Your prayers will be answered. We believe it. All of us believe it, but our belief system is getting spoiled because of encroachments. You believe in your religion, please believe in your culture. Prayer andadu very, 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 in every religion, prayer is the one auspicious thing, please. You should participate in the prayer, wholeheartedness, close your eyes and close your ears, and only your singing you should listen, please. And your singing and other singing should be in same wavelength. Then only one voice, that is called resonance, my dears. That is called resonance. Physics law, right? Resonance. When all the frequencies are in resonance, all the voices are in resonance, you can listen to only one voice, please. That's called resonance, please. Everything should be in same wavelength. Apada sync varum. Apada you can hear only one voice. That is called resonance, please. So when you are in prayer, my dears, boys also not participating. At least when you sing a Tamil song, at least all of you join. Make it a single voice. It should reverberate with the divine vibrations, my dears. Are you listening, my dears? Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Raksha, can you sum it up, dear? What did I say regarding prayer?
Sir, we should make resonance.
Resonance, very good. Okay, what do you mean by resonance?
Making everything one, single.
Super, super. Wonderful, very wonderful. Very good. Very good. Right, ma, anything, ma, any other issues are there, ma? I think we can say goodbye to the 3.1, dears. Tomorrow I will start with 3.2 and 3.2 தேவையான சருக்கு இருக்குமா நிறைய இருக்குது. Please, I have to give you lot of tools and lot of inputs I have to give you for 3.2. I am going to give you tomorrow, and for that whatever written things are required, inputs are required, that I will supply to you today itself in the classroom, dears. Konjam follow பண்ணுங்க. I will send it through various sources. There is a source called Brilliant Blue Book is there. R.S. Agrawal is there. And there is one more blue book is there. That is called blue with another color called R.D. Sharma. Brilliant one. And I have one more book called Amazing Books are there. Arihant is there. I have one more book called this thing. I will show you that. So those people who are interested to participate in JEE, please come on, join for JEE. I will tell you, yes, I have books here. I will show you that. Show you it is here only. Yes, it's here only. I just bring it. It's there here as my pedestal. I am using it. See this now. See this. For calculus center or book 12th standard. This is called Tevani. The author is Tevani. And it is this is called, famous name is called Cengage Publications. For JEE, those who are preparing, this is an amazing mathematics math. Tevani, okay? And that's called Cengage Publications, yes, Cengage. And other one is, friends, one more is there. I will show you that also. See this. Beautiful color, all of you familiar. I am coming from that. This is called, all of you must be knowing this, correct? Ye kya hai? Byju's. Byju's tied up with Cengage, please. See, this is called Arihant, my dear. This is called Arihant, Disha publication. Sorry. This is called Disha publications. What is this? 14 year-wise JEE advanced papers. Nariya irukama books all. So, you please, some of you all gems are here, please. You all very, very intelligent children. For you, you must prepare for something like JEE advanced and main and advanced modules. You all capable children, please see that you will be joining. Our school is going to start. Our gang Namma school, Namma management itself is recruiting people from outside. Okay, they are going to handle the JEE and NEET classes. Those who are interested and those who are, I think, phenomenal children are here. Excellent children are here. They can see that they can join for JEE and 2 years. If you can get the training, proper training, JEE and NEET, you can just like that hit the NEET and JEE exams and clear it and get the seat into those courses, my dears. Okay, so use that, please use that. Otherwise, also I will be teaching you all possibilities. But time on the just okay. 2 hours. Ma'am also told me that take 2 hours, sir. Hereafter for 11:30, now possibility in the Parker. Today also one more session I will create for you, dears. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. God bless you all. I will tell you what to do. Naaliki Thevayana inputs I will send you. And tomorrow we are going to start 3.2. Huge requirement is there for 3.2. I will give you that inputs before I start the class. Thank you, dears. Thank you very much. And anybody who doesn't have a link, my dears, for classroom, kindly you ask for it. I will do that now. I will send it now right away. Thank you, dears. All the best. God bless you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.